Sieht das crazy aus.
Hello everyone, this is a quick video of me fixing a Neo scooter FOC. So I managed to damage it, which was totally my fault because I forgot to put a diode somewhere where there should have been one. And yeah, so this is here me checking the phases because I already know one phase is bad because the motor keeps recuperating without being even turned on. And yeah, so you can see the blue phase is showing 0 ohms, which means this is shorted. This is me just opening the FOC, which is in fact really easy. There's just 4 screws on the bottom and 1 screw on the top, and then you have to pry it open a bit with a screwdriver or something. Yeah, it takes a bit of effort.
Sieht das crazy aus.
So here I'm just removing the plate which holds down the Mosfets. This is a few close-up photos if you want to see what chip is there. So STM32 inside. And this is me checking which Mosfets are corresponding to the terminal which is shorted. And here you can see the very right terminal, motor phase terminal, is shorted to ground. And I'm just making sure the gate is not charged of the Mosfets, so they are definitely shorted. Which they are. So they are directly connected to ground and are not useful anymore. Yeah, so this is a quick overview of a motor driver, and you can see there's 2 Mosfets for every phase, and the one which is broken and shorted is the one on the bottom right, which is connected to ground. So this is the Mosfet which is currently built in, and this is the Mosfet I used to replace it, which is very similar in specs, a little better even. Yeah, and here I'm removing the old Mosfets, which is quite a pain because the legs are soldered directly to the ground plane, which soaks up a lot of heat, so you need to put a lot of heat in to get them out, and obviously in again. Yeah, after that's done, I'm reassembling the part and testing. Looking good. Perfect. Thank you for watching.